Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing Realme X Water Test. So before we get started, if you're new to my channel, make sure you have subscribed and have your notification on, so you don't miss out my upcoming videos. Okay, so let's see how well Realme X holds up in the water. So this Realme X comes with a 6.5 inches display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels, and it has a 91.2% screen to body ratio with a Corning Gorilla Glass 5. This variant that I have is a 4GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage, and it's running on Android version 9 with ColorOS version 6 on top of it. And as you can see, the phone is fully working. Now let's keep this phone in here. Now I'm gonna start the timer and start filling up the water. I'm gonna keep this phone in the water for 1 minute and let's see if it can survive the water test. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And as most phone does, this phone is not responding to the touches in the water. Now let's flip this phone. Flip it back again. The display is still on, but still not responding to the touches in the water. And now it's going to be 1 minute. Let's stop the timer and take the phone out. So this Realme X has been in the water for complete 1 minute. The water didn't went inside the rear camera. I will also check the pop-up camera after we clean the phone. The water went inside the headphone jack, charging port and in the speaker grill. Okay, so now let's clean the phone. The display is fully working and also it's now very responsive to the touches. Now let's check the fingerprint sensor. The in-display fingerprint sensor is adding my fingerprint. That means the fingerprint sensor is working. The fingerprint sensor is working and unlocking the phone without any problem. Let's check the face unlock. I have added my face and now let's try to unlock the phone with the face unlock. The face unlock is also working. It unlocks the phone as soon as it sees my face. The back camera looks perfect. Let's take a quick photo of this box. And yes, it still takes photos with good details and contrast. The pop-up camera is also working. There is no issue while it goes up and down. And as you can see, there's still some water in the charging port. Let's check the speaker. Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing Realme X versus Redmi K20 speed test. So the speaker is working without any problem. It's loud and clear. The phone is also getting charged without any issues. Volume rockers are also working. So yeah, the phone is fully working. The Realme X survived my water test. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow my social media. The links will be in the description below.